divide 768 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 6. So we put down this 6 and it is 16. 6 times 2 is 12. On subtracting, we get 4. So again this 4 is less than 6. So we put down this 8 and it is 48. 6 times 8 is 48. On subtracting, we get 0. So 768 divided by 6 is 128. So this much for today and thanks for watching.